Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add music to WhatsApp status. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So adding music to your WhatsApp status isn't a built-in feature, but there are easy workarounds for both Android and iOS users. So the first step is simply open your WhatsApp, and once you open your WhatsApp, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on updates and there you can find my status. Simply tap on it and then you can find different options like text, voice or camera. So if you're going to tap on text, then you need to type it, or now as you want to play music, you need to tap on voice and you can play any music from other devices like your laptop or any other mobile phone or stuff like that. And now simply tap on the record button. Once you have tapped it on, the WhatsApp app will now record your music and then you can simply put it in your status on WhatsApp. So this is how you can add music to WhatsApp status. I hope you find this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.